Success is not a certain thing, it is a continuous process. In this process, there are many things make the path of success clean. They are called the key to success. In a long way, there is a lot of keys to success. The key to success is action, and the essential in action is perseverance. The key to success is to be honest, follow your passion, and not the path of someone else. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key to success. If you love what you do, you will be successful. That's the key to success, isn't it? It has to be fun. The key to success is to focus our conscious mind on things we desire, not things we fear. People are the key to success, or extraordinary success. Before anything else, preparation is the key to success. The key to success in life is using the good thoughts of wise people. Finding good partners is the key to success in anything, in business, in marriage, and especially in investing. One important key to success is self-confidence. An important key to self-confidence is preparation. The key to success is to find things that you have a passion and would enjoy doing, even if you are not getting paid to do it. To me, the hashtag one key to success is creating lasting positive change in yourself and others. That's what is most rare, most difficult, and most valuable about leading people. Perseverance is also key to success in any endeavor, but without perseverance in combat, there can be no victory. The single most important key to success is to be a good listener. Consistency with the right strategic plan is the ultimate key to success. Yesterday's action would never make up for today's procrastination. The key to success in our willpower, full with confidence. I don't know the key to success, but the key to failure is trying to please everybody else. We have to keep calm and stick together. That's the key to success. The key to trading success is emotional discipline. If intelligence were the key, there would be a lot more people making money trading. Patience is the key to every success, every achievement, and every greatness.